A genealogy tree that provides data transparency and traceability of a product in next-generation manufacturing.
Our app ensures maximum transparency of a product and its life cycle. And transparency builds trust and really speeds things up.
As a result, Siemens has won the Disrupt category of the Intelligent Manufacturing Award by Microsoft and Roland Berger. Trust in a product is of greatest value in all types of industries. To obtain and keep it, companies must deal with regulatory compliance, with counterfeit, and produce complicated audits. This can be time-consuming, tedious, and costly. The same applies to recalls. In the food and beverage sector, 56% of all companies suffer at least one recall a year, at an average cost of 9.5 million euros. In automotive, the average cost of a large recall is 12.4 million. The reason? Way too many cars are recalled on spec, without evidence that they're actually affected by the fault.
If a car breaks down, it could have been any of the hundreds of components in that car. So let's imagine it was the electronics part, but still you don't know where did it happen. Has it been the raw materials? Did it happen during transportation? Has it been production of semi-finished parts? Has it been the final assembly? Has it been during product use? You don't know. And it's really important to find the root cause really quickly. This is why we at Siemens have developed Trusted Traceability, a comprehensive solution to connect and interlink all the relevant data from product and production.
So we have here an electronics board. So what we do with Trusted Traceability is to trace this electronic board along the value chain, which you see here, into this product genealogy tree. So the product genealogy tree is like a family tree or your medical records for this board. So we have all the important information here from raw material used up to manufacturing, quality inspection reports, and also put into operation everything, all the important events captured in Trusted Traceability.
During the production process, the electronics board is inserted in a scanning machine and tested. It is being visually inspected. It has a serial number, which means the system knows which board was assigned and exactly which batch of components was used to produce it. All is recorded in the Trusted Traceability app.
When an electronic board fails, you need to trace down the root cause. So what you can do in Trusted Traceability is to put in the serial number and find all the important information here in this genealogy or family tree of the product itself. So what you find here on the side with all important processing steps and information about every processing step. And you find further information and process parameters like which kind of firmware was put on the board, or maybe also linked reports to this exact step. So when we look at this family tree, you can see in the assembly line, the optical inspection, the flying probe, so all the production parts during the manufacturing. And what you find here during the mounting part, where you have the electronic board itself and all the material and electronic components, you can see them here in the list.
Back in the factory, a final inspection report has been produced.
The quality report is also included in the app, so you have immediate access to all the important information to the tests and inspections which were performed during manufacturing.
This also helps with regulatory compliance, with audits, and to identify counterfeit products.
Our Trusted Traceability solution helps manufacturers of all industries with recalls, audits, or regulatory compliance. Having transparency and traceability really saves a lot of time and money.
Therefore, Trusted Traceability from Siemens has won the category Disrupt of the Microsoft Intelligent Manufacturing Award.